Good morning. We're gonna go get some water. We're out of water, so I'm just gonna go and get some at the little refill station here. So, wife said go ahead and wear Santa hat. Why not, eh? If you got it, you can do it, right? Merce. I didn't say stand up. Let's go see what we can see. So yeah, I'm just walking down to this little local refill place. I think it's the closest one to the house. So I'll go down here and grab some water. We'll refill a bunch of water later today, but I need some for breakfast. So we'll just go down here and get the one. So it's 10 for a container. I just want a gallon. I don't want to carry a whole tin down the street here. See if it's working. So here's the refill deal. Just put your coins in here and refill it yourself. So take that off. So here it is. We got some pesos here. You can stop any minute now because I don't feel like carrying that much. There you go.
Hello, Santa. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good, good. So there it is. Now I got to carry it back. This is what happens when you don't pay attention to how much you got at home. You end up going to a refill. There's the sorry stores. Alright, so now I'm carrying about a half a deal of this. I'm gonna carry it home. Let's do it.